Hi, Sky. Hope you're feeling better. Just me and Mark here today. So, what we're doing is section number 5 today. This is a revision of linear equations. So, how do you graph a straight line? That's what we're covering today. And I'm going to start from the very beginning. I'm not talking to Sky anymore. I'm talking to you. Mark. We're going to be starting from the very beginning, assuming you know nothing, just in case we have gaps in our knowledge. I'm going to try to fill those in. Okay? Okay. So first things first is understanding the Cartesian plane. Okay? So we know the Cartesian plane is something that looks like this. Okay? It has a horizontal axis known as the x-axis, a vertical axis known as the y-axis. Okay? These are called the x-axis and the y-axis. They're not called x-line and y-line or horizontal line and vertical line. It's called the x-axis and the y-axis, okay? So call it that from now on, okay? On this axis, you can plot different points. So for example, I'm just gonna put in some coordinates. Okay, so let's just say I wanted to plot this point over here. What would be the coordinates of this point?
2, 1.
2, 1, good. So the x coordinate first and then the y coordinate. And every point is made up of both coordinates, okay? If you have a point there, it's always gonna have 2 coordinates, the x coordinate and the y coordinate, okay? So what would be the coordinate of this point?
0,
Good. So the x coordinate is 0, the y coordinate is 3. Excellent. What about, let's just say, this one over here?
-1, 3.
-1, 3. Excellent. Okay, now I want to ask you something. Between this point and this point, what is the horizontal distance between them and what is the... Sorry, Sky. You're going to hear a lot of coughing. What is the horizontal distance between them and what is the vertical distance between them?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then 1.
So
No. 3, 2. So the
horizontal is 3.
is 3,
Good.
vertical is 2.
Good. So horizontal, you're looking at just the horizontal. So it starts at -1, goes all the way to 2. So between -1 and 2,
3.
that's 3 units. And you said vertical is 2 units, right? Because it starts at 3, y equals 3, and goes all the way to y equals 1. Y equals 3 all the way to y equals 1, distance of 2. Good. Excellent. I am dying. Oh my gosh.
We need to do the gradient stuff or whatever.
The what?
Gradient stuff.
Yeah, we will in a moment. Just building on the knowledge one at a time. Okay. So that is the Cartesian plane. Now we're going to talk about lines, straight lines. X, Y, 0. You can graph different types of lines on a graph. The first one we need to know about is the straight line. It's called the straight line because it's perfectly straight, okay? It's defined by the formula y equals mx plus c, okay? Where y and x are variables, so they stay as letters, y and x, but m and c are numbers. For example, y equals 3x plus 2 means that m is 3 and c is plus 2. Y equals -5x minus 1 means that m is -5, c is -1. Make sense? And if y is equal to minus 2x, then m is -2 and c is 0. Okay? Now, we know that m and c are numbers, y and x are variables, but what does m and c actually represent? Do you know? So the m represents the gradient. Good.
And
And we'll talk about what that means in a moment.
intercept for C.
Which intercept? The x-intercept or
Y.
y-intercept? Excellent. Okay. So looking at this one over here, what is the y-intercept? 2. And the gradient? 3. Good. Okay. Just a note, the y-intercept is not just one number, it is a coordinate.
Right.
Okay? But because y-intercept x is always equal to 0, then we know the coordinate. Does it make sense? Okay, good. So let's talk a little bit about gradient. Do you know what gradient is?
Rise over
That's its formula, but what is it?
horizontal.
No.
Line.
The gradient is how steep a line is. Okay? How steep a line is. So if I have a line that it looks like this, it's not very steep. So if you, Mark, you try to run up this mountain, fairly easy, relatively easy.
Sure.
But if you were to run up a mountain that looks like this,
Okay. And this point I'll be flying.
this one you die, right? So this is a low gradient. Maybe m equals 1. This one will be a high gradient, m equals 10. Okay? And this is a negative gradient. M equals -3, for example.
You're just doing it.
Yeah, I'm just giving you examples. Yeah. Make sense? Okay. Make sense, Sky? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. That is gradient. As you said, so that the definition is how steep the line is. The formula, as you said, is rise over run. But what does that even mean? Like, what does that mean? It means, let's just say we're looking at this particular line here. Okay. What it means is we pick 2 points. We pick 2 points, any 2 points on the line. Let's just say it's here and here. Doesn't have to be these 2 points, just any 2 points. Okay. And we figure out how much between these 2 points, how much it runs and how much it rises. Okay, it should form a right angle triangle between these 2 points. Okay, so let's just say it ran 1 unit and it rose 1 unit. So what's the gradient? 1 over 1, which is 1. Okay, let's just say this was not a 1, this is a 2. Then the gradient would be 2 over 1, which is 2. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Good. That is... Oh, one more thing. How do you find out whether a point is on a line? So let's just say we had y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's say we wanted to determine whether the point 5, 2, this particular point is on the line or whether it's not on the line. How would you be able to determine that?
It's not 0. Oh, well, I guess technically you can substitute.
Yeah, that's the answer. Yeah. So you substitute it in, okay? And when you substitute it in, what do you expect will happen? It won't equal, no, it's not 0.
1,
No.
2, 3.
No. You would expect that the left-hand side and the right-hand side are equal. Okay? Because if this point is on the line, that means it satisfies this equation.
Oh, yeah.
And satisfying this equation means left-hand side equals right-hand side. Okay? So let's just try that. So sub 5, 2 into y. So that will be 2 is it? Oh wait, no, this is the wrong, sorry. I did the wrong way. It's not 5, 2, 2, 5.
Also, make your y smaller like
Yeah. So
Wait, isn't it correct? Oh, no.
5 is equal to 2 bracket 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5. 5 equals 5, left-hand side equals right-hand side. The equation is balanced, therefore it does satisfy it. So therefore 2, 5 is on the line. Cool? Cool. All right, let's get on to the teacher's examples. Actually, took my other Year 9 class 3 weeks to get through that section,
Well,
what we just did.
they're
What did I say? It's recorded.
they're very fast.
Indeed they are. All right, so copy down what I write. So find if is this on the camera? Is it on the camera? Okay, cool. Thanks. So Sky, we're doing 5.6 teachers examples. Question A, find if the following points lie on the following lines. So 1.
Wait, do you want me to zoom it in a bit?
Hmm?
Do you want to zoom it in a bit?
Is it unclear?
Like, it's fine, I guess.
It's fine. Otherwise, you're gonna have to keep moving it around. Sky, can you see this? You good? Okay.
Why did you answer Sky?
Yeah, why didn't you answer? No points for you. Okay, so we're gonna substitute 1, 3 into this formula, into this equation, yeah? So sub 1, 3 into y. I guess in an exam you will write into y equals x plus 1, x plus 3.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, can't speak. Y equals x plus 2.
Mhm.
But whatever. So that is 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. 3 equals 3. Left-hand side equals right-hand side. Therefore, 1, 3 on line. Next one.
Wait, let me copy this down.
Quicken up.
Do I have to put LHS equals?
Yes.
We don't do that.
Well, just do whatever your teacher says is correct, because it's so dependent on your teachers.
Online or online?
On the line, online, whatever. Something along those lines.
9.
3 is equal to 5 bracket 2 plus 3, which is equal to 10 plus 3, which is 13. Ooh, LHS does not equal RHS. Therefore, not online. Boom. Stop checking, still see. Can you see, Sky? Can you see? Oh, wait, no. You can
Yes.
see, she can see the whole board.
You already checked.
Can we turn on a little bit of aircon at least? I'll turn up the temperature. I'm actually like sweating like crazy. Oh my god. How much do you wear in the winter then?
Oh, it's just always like it's, I don't know, it's a cultural thing.
Really?
Everyone wears singlets, no matter what it is.
Singlets?
Yeah, or like something.
Oh no, I mean like being cold.
Well, when you're cold, I guess you wear more jumpers, under jumpers.
Is that what you do?
Yeah. I mean, depends the temperature.
But as in like compared to the average person, are you wearing more clothes? Or do you feel like colder than?
No, I think I'm more like cold resistant. But,
Oh.
so I mean, this is what my science teacher said. She goes, if you've lived in mountains in a cold climate like your ancestors have,
Yeah.
then you'll develop like a cold resistant kind of.
Is that what what it was like in Lebanon?
Yeah, and I guess like it's really cold in that mountain.
Oh. Wait, so why are you asking to turn off the aircon then?
I don't know.
What? That doesn't make sense.
Exactly. Well, I don't really believe it.
It made you cold.
But I mean,
Weak.
it gets really cold there. Like like some areas negative 20 degrees.
Oh, that's really cold. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. It's freezing. Okay, next question. Can you read it, please?
Yeah. 1 second. Okay, find the gradient and y-intercept of the following linear equations. Y equals 4x plus 5.
Yep. Okay. So gradient is this one, the m.
Right.
So m equals 4.
And then
And the y-intercept, we should not write it as just y-int equals 5. We want to write it as a coordinate. What's the x-coordinate of
0,
y-intercept?
5. That's what, by the way, my teacher told us to write the coordinates.
But I said it here first. I definitely said it here first.
Actually, she said it first.
Did she?
We've learned this before.
Sure. Next one. Y equals negative 2x plus 1. So
It's easy.
gradient is minus 2. And y-int is 0, negative 2.
Negative 2.
Ah! My brain. My brain.
Thanks so bad.
It's my brain. Hey, I recovered from a very bad flu, so that's my excuse. My brain's not working. Okay, next. Good, Sky? You good?
Stop talking to Sky. She's not listening. I mean,
Why aren't you responding to me, Sky?
you know what? I feel like she does respond every time I say it.
You know what? She probably will when she watches the
Imagine
video.
her, yeah, like she can be like, okay.
And then if you come back to me the week after and you tell me you responded, then I'll know you have watched the video. And then I'll be
not
very
now,
happy.
Not now.
Huh?
At the end of the video.
Oh, true.
Maybe she did watch 17 minutes.
True. I shouldn't have said it. Oh well. Okay, next. Sketch the following linear equations by first finding the x and y intercepts. In order to graph any straight line, you need 2 points. And that's all you need. You just need 2 points. Okay? In this case, those 2 points are going to be the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay? Okay. So y equals 2x minus 3. First of all, what's the y-intercept? Y-intercept.
Negative 3. We have to sketch.
Okay, so that's easy enough. Okay. Now, the x-intercept is a little bit harder. So x-int, how do we find the x-int?
Substitute.
Substitute what?
0.
What is equal to 0?
X equals 0.
No. If it's the x-intercept, how can it be x equals 0?
Wait.
Think about it. The y-intercept is x equals 0.
Yeah.
So x-intercept must be logical.
0.
No.
Negative 3, 0.
If y-intercept is where x is equal to 0,
Yeah.
then x-intercept must...
Where y equals 0.
Exactly.
Also make y equals 0.
Yeah, so if it's x-intercept, you just make the other one equal 0. Right? So y is equal to... Oops, sorry. 0 is equal to 2x minus 3. 1.5. Did you follow that?
Yeah.
Okay. So therefore the x-intercept is 1.50. Boom.
Did you already do this? Oh no, we did it for the parabola.
Parabolas. So even when you're sketching, you need to label the x and y axis and label the origin. So 1.5 is like here. Minus 3 is like double of this. So right here. And then you just draw a line through it. Boom. Boom. Done. And write down the formula.
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
You would write the formula on the line?
Like that.
Oh yeah.
Next to it. Next, y is equal to negative x plus 4. Huh?
Did you
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you feel it? I'll turn it off a little bit. Okay, y-intercept. Y-intercept.
4.
Like that.
Zero.
Good. X-intercept.
0 equals negative x plus 4. Oh, well, x-intercept y equals 0. So then 0 equals negative x
How do I
plus
solve
4 equals, wait, negative 4 equals negative x.
it? Sure.
And then 4 equals x.
Equals 4.
What's that one?
So the x-intercept is as a point.
4, 0.
Good. Okay, graphing it. So 4 and 4. Perfect. 4 and 4. Whoop. Whoop. Origin. Where's x plus 4? Done.
Can we just stop with the teacher's exam?
And not do the student questions?
Sure.
Why do you want to do that?
How about the opposite? Can we just stop doing it? We sound like so much.
We're almost done.
Just,
We're almost done.
I know how to do it. It's boring. You're actually killing me. Actually, can we just stop? Yeah.
Done?
Can I just go straight to you?
Nope.
Do I get points for teachers?
Since you're contributing, I'll give you a little bit.
I need double points since Sky's not pizza. Basically, I'm taking
Double points. No,
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 I
no,
think
no,
should
no.
give Sky an extra 10 points because I'm sure she was contributing.
No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, my fingers. All right, G. Y equals 5. What kind of line is that?
Okay, so gradient equals 5.
No.
Oh, it's just then y equals 5. That's it.
So for y equals 5, it is a horizontal line at y
Yeah,
equals
because
5.
it's 1.
Because the idea being, this line is always y equals 5, no matter what point you look at.
And
Right?
then
Even if you're here or here or here or here or here, it's always 5. Yeah? That's how you remember it. Next one is H.
same thing.
But for X. So if it's X, it's going to be a vertical line
Done.
at X equals 2. Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let me just add that.
Okay, good. Mark, I'll give you plus 5 points.
Only?
Only? Yes. Only 5 points.
Give Sky a point.
Give Sky a point.
Yeah. I'm sure she's contributing.
She's
How
contributing
about this? How
so
about this?
much.
I'll tell you that.
I'm done. This is it. This is it. Do the student questions.
Does just remember that we did my math homework.
Should I be deducting points from you?
No, because first of all, we haven't had a math lesson yet. We still do it today. Second of all, you're not my math teacher in school.
Oh, in school. Okay.
So she can give me a demerit win.
I thought you meant my work.
No, not your work. No, sorry. You know, really.
I'm gonna pause the video.
I love
Hopefully.
how you can pause videos on my phone.
Huh?
I love how now you can.
All right, Sky. I am going to write the answers on the board for you. So just pause the video if you haven't done the questions yet. But once you've done them, you can replay the video. So you can check the answers.
I might just check it later.
Huh?
Just check it when she comes back.
Oops. Nah, she doesn't do that. I want her to do it on the spot.
She will. At home.
Huh?
Just check him.
Will she? I know what to do. In order to save time, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to write all the answers on the board first, and then you check it after.
Wait, did you just end the whole video?
Yeah, I needed. Here are the first set of answers. 41, 42, 43, 44. I'm going to rub it out.
We don't rub it out yet. Wait, actually, we can check it later. How do you do this again? Wait, we did.
Sky, these are the next two, 45, 46. Gonna give you a moment to check them. Okay, I'm gonna wipe them on the board, wipe them off the board. All right, Sky, these are the next three questions. Have a look. Okay, I'm gonna rub them out. Yeah, it's so cold, man. It's freezing. Mark has told us that apparently it can get up to minus 23 degrees Celsius in Lebanon. It's pretty dang cold. Pretty dang cold.
I mean, it's not there for you.
Yeah. All right, let's turn to page 19. So now we're going to learn how to find the gradient of a line. In order to find the gradient of a line,
Rise or run.
rise over run, but what does that even mean?
It just means to find how the slope.
Yeah, but like specifically how, right?
Okay.
So you need to find 2 points on the line. Okay, that's what you do. Actually, I'll write the formula down first. So the formula is m equals y2 minus y1
Oh yeah, I remember it.
over x2 minus x1.
I use that more by the way.
So we pick 2 points on the line. Let's just say this one's 0.1. P little one here. So P1, x1, y1. So 0.1 has the coordinates x1, y1. 0.2 has the coordinates x2, y2. Okay? And so to find the gradient of this line, we have m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? Don't get this confused. This top bit is not x1 minus y1 or something like that, okay? It's what this is essentially doing, this is rise over run, right? Because it's the y2 minus the y1, or in this case, y1 minus y2, it doesn't matter. So it's measuring the horizontal, the rise, and this x2 minus x1 is measuring the run, okay? Now you might ask, wait a minute. Does it have to be y2 minus y1 or can it be y1 minus y2?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't.
What?
It doesn't matter as long as you're consistent, yeah? So if you pick y2 to come first, then x2 must also come first. Can't be like y2 comes first and then x1 comes first. Oh, you right? Okay? So let's see. Oh, 2 special cases. If a line is horizontal like this, what is its gradient?
0.
If a line is like this, perfectly vertical, what is it?
Undefined.
Yep, undefined. Essentially infinity. but we write it as undefined. Okay, teacher's examples. Find the gradient of the following lines given the 2 points on the line. So we have A bracket 1, 3 and B bracket 0, 1. So we have these 2 points. Okay. Now we're going to label them as x1, y1, x2, y2 to avoid confusion. So I'm going to do x1, y1, x2, y2. Remember, this is not, this is x1, y1.
I know, I used to do x1, x2.
Exactly. No, it's not x1, x2, and then y1, y2. That doesn't make sense. Okay. x1, y1, x2, y2. M is equal to, we're going to write the formula down every time so we can remember it and understand how to use it. It's y2 minus y1 over x2, x2 minus x1. Rise over run. So it will be 1 minus 3 over 0 minus 1. Okay? So remember, as long as you're consistent with which one you define as y1 and y2, and you keep that with x2 and x1, then you're good. So that's going to be minus 2 over minus 1, which is equal to 2. You're done. Simple as that. Okay? Now, if you want points mark, you got to contribute.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta tell me what to do.
Okay, so write the formula.
What's the formula?
y2 minus y1.
Yeah. Over.
Look, 1 second. 1 second.
Too late. You didn't contribute.
Okay, fine. 1 minus. Is that a 3?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then over 2 minus 2.
Good. So minus 2 over 4.
Yeah.
Minus a half. That's the answer.
Boom.
Boom.
Contributed.
Contribution. I'll give you that one.
Also, you know, good behavior.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
I don't know about that, man. I don't know if you've been well behaved.
Not been bad. You said your classes were like 10 times worse.
Sometimes.
Yeah, well, I'm not sometimes. I'm always good.
Are you though?
Yes.
Nah, you're
Name
pretty,
me one
you're pretty good. You're pretty good. You are indeed pretty
extra 10.
good. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. All right, tell me what to write, please.
Okay, 3 minus 5, 8 minus what?
Try again.
3 minus 3, 8 minus 5.
So 0 over 3,
Yeah.
which is 0, because anything, 0 divided by anything is 0. Yeah?
Yeah.
Whoop. Last one. Tell me what to write.
Okay, so formula 10 minus 6 line 2 minus 3 2. See, you weren't paying attention to what I was saying.
I was.
No, you weren't.
I was.
No, you weren't.
That's why I looked at you.
Well, why'd you write it down before I said it?
Because I knew you were trying to be dumb. Yeah?
Right.
Yeah, what?
4 alpha 0.
Which is equal to?
One second. Wait, it's not working on the calculator. 0?
No, it is working on the calculator.
No.
Yeah, it is. What your calculator is saying is undefined.
Oh, undefined. Undefined, so it is working.
So anything divided by 0 is undefined. Okay? I'll give you that one.
Shouldn't it be 0?
Sorry? No, it's 0. Oop, it's 0 divided by anything is 0. But anything divided by 0 is undefined.
Right.
All right, Sky, go ahead and do the student questions. I'll just pause the video to write the answers down.
Breaks. Break or not?
No. All right, Sky, here are the answers on the board. 4 questions. You can check it, take a look, and then I'm going to rub it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, bye. All right, so we are now on equations and linear equations 2, which is topic 2. Topic 2. Okay, topic 2. All right, let's go and look at the very first section.
Wait, I need to write my full name.
Mark Anthony. Term number 4.
You were term 4 now.
Well, term 4. How long have you been coming here for? One term?
Since term 2.
Really? Wait, really?
Yeah.
Since term 2?
Wait. No.
Maybe since term 3.
Yeah, term 3.
Okay, so section number 1, finding the equation of a line, the gradient intercept form.
Didn't we just do that?
We did something very, very similar. So we found the gradient, but now we are finding the formula for a line. Okay.
Is that worth the whole topic?
It is. Maybe it is. The idea is to break things down so much that even a really oblivious and ignorant student is able to understand. That's the point.
We don't have students.
We get it, Mark. You're smart. Did I use B or C? I forgot. I'm just gonna use C.
Wait,
Same thing. B and C. It's just different letters. Used to represent the same thing. Okay, so find the equation of the following lines. A line with a gradient of 3 and a y-intercept of 2. So the formula is y is equal to gradient of 3, so it's 3x, plus intercept of 2, y-intercept of 2. That's it. So hard, right?
Yeah.
So hard. Hey, Emily. Next one. Y equals mx plus c. Okay. So what's m?
Great.
What's the value of m?
2.
And what's the y-intercept?
-2.
Good, -2. And that's it. The end. End of story. You contributed a little bit, I guess. Give me a point.
I want to draw an eye.
All right, Sky, I'm going to pause the video for a moment. Stop instead of pause. I didn't do it on purpose. All right, Sky, here are the answers according to Mark. He got it correct. Mark, can you check if it's in focus?
Yeah.
Is it in focus?
All focused.
Okay. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. And then here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Boom.
Wait, do it again. See, Sky, I'm so small.
Sky, Mark is so helpful. He is a very caring person.
I am very
Thank you. All right, Sky, we're back.
Only 33 points?
It's because we're not grinding, man. And if we did a quiz, it would be like double that, basically. Excuse me. Sorry, Sky, I just coughed. That probably would have been very loud for you. I apologize. Okay, now we're going to do what you were talking about, Mark, which is how do you find the equation of a line? Okay, so to find the equation of a straight line, you need to be given the coordinates of 2 points on that line. Okay, so let's take a look at the example on page 2. We're on section 2 right now. So can you can you read those two sentences?
Bless you. Yes, I can.
Thank you.
What's it?
If you know 2 points that
Any 2 points on a line. If you know 2 points that lie on a line, you can also find the equation of the line. You can achieve this with following the steps. For example, if A bracket 1 comma 3 close bracket and B bracket -1 comma -1 close bracket lie on the line, find the equation of that line.
Yep, good. Okay, so we have these 2 points, A and B, that lie on the line. Step number 1, okay, so we have the gradient intercept form of the line, y equals mx plus c. So in order to fully define this line, we need to find m and c, and that's it.
Right.
Because x and y remain as variables. Right? Okay, so let's find m. Well, how do you find m? Well, you know, as long as you have 2 points, you can find m, right? And we do have 2 points, a and b. So we're going to write down a, 1, 3, b, -1, -1, -1, okay? So we're going to use the gradient formula to find what the gradient is.
3
So-
minus 1 over -1.
No,
Wait.
you need to be consistent.
1 minus -1.
So 4
over.
of,
I mean 2.
so m is equal to 2.
Right.
We have now found m. Sorry, Skype. Okay, so now we have the m. Now we just need to find the c. How do we find the c?
How?
All we have to do is substitute either of these points into the equation. Okay, why do we do that? Let's substitute it in and see. Let's pick point A, like so. Okay, so that would be 3 is equal to 2 bracket 1 plus c. So you see what I did there?
Oh, yeah, I did.
I substituted the x and the
yeah.
y. Yeah. So 3 is equal to 2 plus c. Minus 2 from both sides. So 3 minus 2 is equal to, oh, wait, no,
Just 1.
I need to write that, yeah. 1.
Of course.
Great, we found c. Okay. So y is equal to 2x plus 1. Boom,
Whoa.
we have it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay, so find the gradient, substitute the point in, and then you're done. Okay, find m, find c. Cool? Nice, thank you for contributing, Mark. Good on you. Thank you for contributing, Sky, but unfortunately I can't hear you.
But you should give her points. I'm sure she would have contributed.
You know what? You're right. Sky, I'll give you some points for contributing. Plus 1.
Oh my god, that's just. You might as well remove that point.
1 point is still something. Let's turn over the teacher's examples. What? Huh? Alright, Sky. I'm going to see if you're actually paying attention and you're actually watching the video. So what I want you to do is next week, you have to say to me, I am a banana. How do you spell banana?
And
I'm a banana. Okay? You have to say this phrase. That way I know that you've actually watched the video.
yeah.
If you do that, then I will give you 25 points.
Wow.
And that compensates for all the work that we've done already, because we want to check it. Okay? But if you don't tell me, it's minus 200 points.
No way.
I'm
No.
kidding.
No, boy, she wouldn't know. Anyways, because if she didn't see it.
That's true.
she wouldn't know.
That's true. But if you say this, 25 points. And if I forget it, then Mark remembers that. Huh?
Very generous.
I know, I'm so kind.
You know what? I should be always.
You know, this is my own money. Each point that you students get is actually money from my own pockets, if you think about it. Because you get real prizes with it. And I have to pay for that. Think about it.
One good thing, my parents are paying.
It's true.
No, but still, you don't have to do that.
Exactly. I don't have to do this. But I do it. Okay, so teachers' examples. So if the following 2 points lie on the line, this one and this one, then find the equation of that line. What do we have to do first?
Can I do it?
You want to do it on the board?
Yeah.
Okay.
You be a pug.
Sure, I'll be a pug. How to do this? I am confusion.
Wow, you're being racist here.
Then it's not racist because it's my own race.
Friendly fire is on. Hi, Sky. I'm here, by the way. Anyways, so what are we finding?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Tell me the question. If the following 2 points lie on the line, find the equation of that line.
Yeah. We're
Okay.
doing
So
two.
y
We're doing 2.2 teacher examples. Question A.
X plus C. This is the formula we need. So.
Hold on, I'm gonna hold the mic up to your face.
Ooh.
You can't touch the mic, but I'm gonna hold it. To you.
Good. Okay. Hi. Okay, nice. Stop now. Anyways, so first let's find the n. What we do is, what do we do? Okay, rise of run. Or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
What is
Which
this formula?
is, okay, this formula is to find the gradient.
Ah, okay. Gotcha. Please stop smashing my pen.
Sorry.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Got that? Easy?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Well, what's the logic behind this formula? I don't get it.
what do you mean?
So why is it like?
Okay, let's go back to the basics. This. Y, x. Right? So, if there's a point here. Wait, no. Wait. How about I do this? Wait. No, this is. Yeah, this, right. You know? See that? You know, you want to find, like, how much is the slope of this? Like, how much is that? How much is that? How much is that? How much is that? Whatever. Anyway, so to find out, you need to do how much your spacing is, and spacing is there. This is not really good explaining, but your pug mind can figure this out. So, you get it?
No.
Okay. So, slope, yeah?
Yeah.
We need to find what this slope is, because
Ah.
to find this slope contributes to the equation.
Ah. Okay.
So to find the slope, usually what we would do manually is to have a point here, and basically we find 2 points and we find the slope difference. So let's say this
the
was
slope difference.
you know what I mean.
Oh.
Okay, well the slope depth.
The slopiness.
Right, right. Okay, that's correct. So, let's say this is 1, 2, 3. This is 3. This is 2. So this point is 2. Wait, no. 0, 2. And this one is. Do I have to do this?
No.
Okay. Anyways, moving on. Oh my god, I thought this was like something else.
It's a cleaning sponge.
I thought it was like the. What's it called? The snow, you know, artificial snow.
Oh.
The thing you know them. Anyways, rub this all out. So, yeah, ignore what I said. But yeah, we need to find the slope. So
that thing represents rise over run.
right.
Okay.
So move this. 4. So y2, which is here. Wait, no, this and this and this. Oh my god, this fly is crazy. Minus 4 over 3 minus 1 equals 4. Oh my god. 2 equals 2. So that's what the gradient is. Boom, we found the gradient. M equals 2.
Yeah.
Got that?
Yep.
Easy?
Yep.
Done?
Yep.
Useful? Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Now we need to find this.
Yep.
This is a bit harder to find.
Okay.
So let's run this out. Okay, so basically, we ignore that. Basically, to find C, you have to let me remember. Wait, no, I remember.
Sorry, Sky, for the slow progress we're making.
Wait, I forgot this. How do we do this? What?
You tell me.
No.
You wanted to come up here.
No, wait, you're.
So write down the formula as it is with the new information you've got.
Okay, why? Oh, I know. Substitute one of this into this. So, y equals. What was the m again? Wait, 2, yeah. X plus c. So this is a gradient and this is a gradient. So those don't need to be changed. They don't need to be solved.
Those are
Because
not
this is y.
gradients, they're
Wait.
variable.
Variable. What is that? This is y. This is x.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Mm.
So we don't need to solve those. But what we need to solve is the m and the c. So basically, we already have the m. So what we do, to make this 10 times easier, we substitute this into this. So it would be 4 equals 2, 1 plus c. 4 equals 2 plus c. 4. Wait, no. 4 minus 2 is 2 equals c. Yay, found that. C equals 2. C equals 2.
Okay.
So basically, the whole formula is y equals 2x. Oh yeah, plus 2.
Great. Good job.
Wow, that was
Yay.
an operation. Thank you for bearing with us, Sky and
Thank you,
Steven.
Sky.
I deserve so many points.
I feel like I should deduct points for that.
What? How?
I'll give you 3. I'll give you 3.
4.
Right.
4?
3.
4.
Alright, one more teacher's example. Put this back on. Oops. Okay. This is very good.
I know.
Okay, so teaching example number 2. What time is it, by the way?
55.
Oh, okay. Okay, so the other example, we just have to write down the 2 coordinates we're given. And remember, I'll say this again. For a straight line, you just need 2 points and you can figure out the coordinates, the formula. Okay, you just need 2 points, that's all. So you need to find those 2 points. Okay, so we need to find m first of all. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's 4 minus 4 minus 2 over minus 1 minus 2. So that's 6 over minus 3, which is minus 2. M equals minus 2. Okay. So therefore, our current formula is y is equal to minus 2x plus c. We need to find c. To do that, we substitute one of our points in. Let's do b. 2 minus 2. That's b, by the way. B. Okay. So I'm going to substitute b. This is x and this is y. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus c. So minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus c, plus 4 to both sides. So it's equal to 2 is equal to c. C equals to 2. So our formula ends up being, with c equals 2, y is equal to negative 2x plus c. And that's it. Cool? Okay. Go ahead and do the student questions, please. You too, Sky. Sky, we're ending it here. We'll continue on next week. Bye.